Hey guys, this is Chris with HostHobby.com, and today's video I'm going to show you how to add your domain name into your hosting account if the domain name is registered through another hosting account. So if you haven't already, I made a previous video showing you how to redirect a domain name from one hosting account to another hosting account. And so when that's done, you need to go into your hosting account you're actually going to be using for your web hosting and add that domain name to it. So in this example, you can see I'm using SiteGround. This is just an example account that I had set up by SiteGround so I could give you guys some demonstrations on how all this works. So once you log into your account, there is the option to go through a setup wizard that will, if you already have a domain name in the account, you can go ahead and install WordPress on it. But I'm just using this to show you guys how to do it in case you're past that part and you have an add-on domain you just want to add on to it. So once you log into SiteGround, you want to go up here and click on My Accounts, and you'll see your account listed here. It'll give you all the details about your account, and then you want to go here and click on Go to cPanel. Now once you want to do this, just go ahead and click Proceed. And once it loads cPanel, you want to click on the icon here that says Add-on Domains. And from here, you can just add the domain name that you just had redirected to this account. And that can be anything, you know, yournewwebsite.com. And then when you click this box, it's going to automatically fill in the next two. You just want to give it a password or use the password generator and click Add Domain. Once it does that, you're going to be able to see this domain, and it's going to be listed down here as an add-on domain to your account. That's all there is to it. Simple to do. And if you redirected a domain name from a hosting account to this hosting account, you may have to give it up to 24 or even 48 hours in rare cases for the website to actually start working. So that's the end of this video. In the next one, I'll show you how to install WordPress.